Hi, and welcome to Cider Norway. The full-stack web developer course is now available. Cider offers a rigorous 2-month self-paced training program to learn how to create industry-standard full-stack applications using major technologies such as .NET, JavaScript, and React. What benefits do you see from this self-paced course? This self-paced course is reasonably priced for a broad community when compared to our instructor-led dedicated certification programs. Furthermore, you may register for the course at any moment and begin learning right away because it is always open. Even though it is a self-paced course, the audience will have an inductor-led course experience thanks to the well-designed video lectures and whole course structures. Next, outline the learning objectives and key skills to be covered. You will learn all about the front-end and back-end web development using React and .NET. You will also learn the best design principles and approaches to build the applications. Our self-paced course materials will help you develop applications using modern methodologies, and we promise that the new abilities and information you gain will help you succeed in the interview process. What is the job scope after completion? Full-stack software developers are in high demand across various industries, with ample job opportunities as front-end developers, back-end developers, or full-stack developers. Their comprehensive skill set, encompassing both front-end and back-end development, makes them valuable assets in creating and maintaining dynamic applications. Talent Pool is Cider's digital hiring network. With the Talent Pool, Cider brings organizations and students together. With the Talent Pool, you have a good chance of getting hired for jobs across Europe. To learn every detail about the curriculum and admission procedure, check out our website. You can talk to one of our program advisors if you have any questions. Have a good day.